Hey everyone, in this video, I'm about to show you how to restore your suspended Pinterest account. Go to your browser and search Pinterest Reactivate Account in the search bar. Click to open the first link provided in the results. You'll be directed to the Help Center. Scroll down and click on the Contact Us button. You will find 5 steps of the help and go to the overview. Select the issue that occurred, such as Reactivate Account. Scroll down and click on Continue. On the next page, you have to add basic details including name, username, email address, and more. Make sure to add the accurate information. Click on the Continue button. You have to add a subject and description of the problem. For demonstration, I entered the subject, "My account was suspended." Give a brief description of the issue of the suspended account. Click on Continue, and you have to add details about the device and browser. Click on Continue and select the option if you have received an error message. Click on Submit, and your application will be submitted. Your account will be reactivated soon. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like the video.